you ever wanted an RC car but didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars and then thought, what if my RC car was actually smart? Like it could sense obstacles, avoid crashes, or maybe one day drive itself. That's why I decided to 3D print my own RC car and power it with an ESP32. Sounds cool, right? Yeah, it didn't go that smoothly though. So you might be thinking, why 3D printed? Why not just buy an RC car? There are mainly two reasons. One, good RC cars are expensive. Second, I recently got a 3D printer and I'm obsessed with designing things. So I thought, why not build something that's fun, hands on, and actually teaches you a real engineering skills? Part 1, 3D printing, false confidence. Let's start with the easy part, 3D printing. Everything printed in about 25 hours. No disaster, no drama. Printing TPU tire was my favorite part. Tweaked a few settings and suddenly I had flexible rubber-like wheels. At this point, my confidence was dangerously high. That should have been my warning sign. Part 2, mechanical design. This RC car has three main parts: front steering and suspension, chassis, and power transmission. It's a basic design, and that was intentional. I had zero RC car knowledge, so I wanted something simple that actually shows how things works. Assembling it taught me more than tutorials ever could. So far, everything still felt under control. Part 3, electronics. Then came electronics, motor, ESCs, batteries, transmitter and receivers. Here is a simple way to think about it. The motor is the engine, the ESC control how much power the motor gets, the transmitter and receiver are how you talk to the car. Yes, I know these are not perfect analogies, but they help when you are starting out. I ordered all the electronics and waited for 2 weeks. That waiting time almost killed my motivation. Part 4, the ESP32 Dream. While waiting, I had a thought. Why not use an ESP32 instead of a normal receiver? Because with an ESP32, this RC car could become smart. I could add ultrasonic sensor, distance measurement, obstacle avoidance, maybe even automation in the future. Basically, turning an RC car into a robot. Sounds amazing, right? Yeah, reality had other plans. Part 5, reality check. With the normal transmitter and receiver, everything is plug and play. With an ESP32, you suddenly need to understand wiring, signal pins, power distribution, logic. I don't have electrical engineering background, so this part consumed lot of time. When my components finally arrived, I realized I couldn't even connect everything properly. I needed Vago connectors, servo extension cables, more accessories. So I ordered parts again. Another 2 weeks of waiting. At this point, I was frustrated. I just wanted to see the car move. Part 6, the breakthrough. So I made a decision. I ordered a transmitter and receiver along with the Vago connector and servo cables. Best decision ever. Everything became instant, plug and play, and it just worked. The power surprised me. It was fast, it drifted, and honestly, it was insanely fun to drive. The moment made everything worth it. Part 7, what's next? I did try connecting the ESP32 again and it failed. I'm still figuring it out, but that's okay. For now, I want to build a strong foundation: RC car design, mechanics, electronic basics, and slowly move towards making the car smart with ESP32 sensor and automation. This project isn't finished, it's just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more builds, experiments, and learning from mistakes. And if you have the idea on what sensor or feature I should add next, let me know in the comments.